Hey guys, I hope everybody's been doing great. So this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading. If you feel like it doesn't apply, please take a look at my other videos to check out your moon, your rising, and your Venus signs. So overall energy, somebody feels like they're not going to be able to give an offer of stability because there still is some type of situation. Yeah. There's somebody here they want to talk to, and this could be you because, like, I feel like Taurus, this could be your energy and what you're wanting to say to someone else, or Taurus, there was somebody here that did this to you, or it could be cross-watching you were doing it towards y'all. I mean, take it however it fits, but regardless, somebody wants to say something. They feel like you're not going to take that offer because with the Queen of Swords here, this is somebody that comes off really cold, harsh, they're tired, you know. And see, somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, and at this point this person is losing hope. See, there's something that they want to say and they're not saying out of fear of what your response is gonna be once they come clean. So it's like the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to go. Look at the King and the Queen of Swords. So you guys are definitely dealing with a soulmate here. A lot of you could be a soulmate. Maybe it's a twin for some of you, but soulmate energy is here. They feel like you're going to cut them off. And they know that they're going to have to be very direct, very blunt with you. And even the way the Page of Swords just came out, it's like this person on one hand, they're watching you. But then on another hand, it's kind of like they're afraid because they turned their backs on you. You know, they stayed in a situation or they just refused to get out of something. And see, you could be dealing with a Leo, but this person's trying to have the strength to come towards you, see, and speak their truth. They're trying to talk to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Yep. It's like they're going to have the confidence to do so. Yeah, they're coming out of being frustrated about this situation, okay? Yeah, because, see, they're going to tell you they got themselves, you know, out of a toxic situation that they put themselves in. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Excuse me. Okay, let's see. Yeah. But they feel like even when they get out of it, you're not going to want to put any time or energy into them. Yep. They feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you because they took too long. So, I'm still seeing, yeah, they're going to give you an offer. That's their decision, okay? But they're moving slow to do it. This is still going to take some time, Taurus. Look at that. King of Pentacles. Somebody is still, they're isolating themselves. Maybe they're focusing on their financial stability. Yeah, see? They're feeling like, okay, I'm going to get out of a situation, but maybe I'm worried about my finances. I'm worried that, look at that. See, somebody's getting out of some type of family situation. So it's like they're going to give you an offer, but not just yet. Not right now. Because I told you, even though they made this decision, it's like they're not happy in their current situation. Ooh, I heard keep it. Okay, hold on. That's a lot. So let's see. Whew, okay. Wow. Okay. So look, somebody's not happy. See, there's definitely some type of family or a living situation that's going on. And this person, they're not happy. They want out. And remember, I told you they're going to get out of it. But I feel like not just yet. I feel like some of this has not happened yet, right? And look at this. So I have, some of you guys could be dealing with another Taurus. There's the Five of Pentacles reverse. And the Five of Wands. So the fact that I'm even seeing angel number 555 here, that's a change. This person has been stuck in some type of situation, whether they were married, they were in a long-term commitment, of a family, whatever the situation is, they're getting ready to make a huge change, right? The problem is, if they're married, they're going to have to get out, right? They're going to have to go through a divorce, or they're going to have to break some type of contract they have with this person. But the fact that I even have these fives here and kind of how they're positioning, it's like, they're not confused about getting out of this commitment that they have to someone. I'm not seeing confusion at all. They're not wishy-washy. They know what they have to do. The problem comes in, they're in their head because there's going to be a battle when it comes to money. That's what they're in their head about. It's not that they want to stay with this person. They want out. It's just how much they're going to have to pay him, or how much they're going to have to pay her, or how much they're going to have to keep giving. That's the problem. So, see, this is why they keep going back and forth trying to make a decision. This person definitely wants out of this situation. So, even though they made a decision, I'm seeing that they're afraid you're not going to want to build with them anymore, you know, because they've taken a long time. They've lied, see? They're like, okay, things aren't going to improve between us. But see, I want to turn things around.
I want to come out better. But the fact that I'm seeing the Lovers here with the Six of Swords, family. I'm telling you. Family, some type of family situation. The thing is, they see themselves building a life with you, having a family with you, all of that. You know, you could be dealing with a Gemini. See, they're listening to their intuition. I told you, this person isn't confused about leaving this other individual. They know it's not working. The issue is finances, the money. That's the problem. See? This person knows that they want a new beginning with you. I told you they're not confused. They're just taking their time. They're still kind of moving slow. See, Six of Cups, family. Okay? Family. Taurus, I'm telling you, this is either you or this is somebody that you were dealing with. I'm telling you, this is the problem. You got a family with them or they have a family with someone else. See, they're trying to decide, what am I going to do? See, the money. It jumped out of my head. Money. Okay? I'm telling you. It's the money. See? They know they're going to take a financial loss. They know this. And that's why they're holding on. It's like they got to do what they have to do. See? Because they're having a hard time giving you an offer. You're going to get that offer. It's going to be a small offer. But I'm telling you, right now, they're focusing on their money. This person's trying to save. They could be doing overtime, stacking money to the side. Justice. Because they're going to court. Somebody's going to court. I do feel like there's going to be some type of legal situation going on. There's a contract. But it's like they want to know how you feel. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But the thing is, I'm telling you, they're making changes. Look at that. But they're frustrated because right now they're like, I can't make a move. I can't come towards you just yet until I figure out this other situation. Yeah, see? This person's frustrated. They're frustrated. Because look, they're going through an ending. And the fact that it landed on my Page of Pentacles, I'm telling you, they're focusing on their money because they know that there's going to be an ending between them and whoever is on their end. They're going through a transformation. Didn't I tell you angel number 555? See, and with that ending, they're trying to make sure things are going to improve financially for them. Yeah, because see, they're going to take a leap. This person's going to take a leap because they want to balance things out with you. But they're worried about their money. I'm telling you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. This person, they're upset with themselves. See, look at the 2 6s again. It's family. They're feeling like they're not going to have a victory when it comes to them getting out of this family situation because they're worried about the money. Yep. Because I'm seeing there's an offer here. This person's going to put in the work with you. They're going to put in the work, but they can't sleep. They're frustrated right now. Why? Because they're figuring out how to get out of this third-party situation. I told you. They haven't left this person just yet. Look at that. Another 3. I'm telling you. They're going to get out of this third-party situation, but they can't sleep. Also because they did break your heart. Yep. See, they hurt you. This person hurts you. And that's the problem. See, they want to fix it. They want to balance things out with you, Taurus, but they can't move. I keep telling you, they can't move forward just yet because they're still committed to this other person. Even though, yes, they want to be committed to you, but there's no stability here, you know? Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. But see, they're going to come in fast. It's like once they make up their mind and they figure this out, you're going to hear from this person and they're going to tell you the truth. Oh, you're going to get the truth from them. Yep, and the truth is, I want to move forward with you. But first, I have to physically move away from this person. If we're living together, we got to figure out arrangements. You know, maybe there's a lease. You know, the lease isn't up until XYZ date. Like, I'm stuck. Or I'm going to have to cough up money to break my lease. Like, I'm telling you, this person's going to move. Somebody's moving. And so the thing is, y'all, I promise I cannot make this up. They regret what they did to you, but in the day, they're holding on because there is somebody here that's blocking some type of mother figure, you know? And so it's like they're coming out of being frustrated because they know they had you waiting at one point in time, but they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning. So they're going to take action, see, to talk to you. I'm telling y'all going to hear from this person. Whoever I'm picking up, you're going to hear from them. But the only thing that was concerning me is I saw the Knight of Pentacles. So this might not happen just yet because this person is still moving slow. I feel like if they make up their mind and they're saying to themselves, well, this week, next week, this month, whatever, you know what? let me just go ahead and just reach out to Taurus or Crosswatcher. The Taurus is saying they're going to reach out to you because they want to tell you what's going on, why they can't move forward. But they know you're not waiting. Oh, they know. They know you're not going to wait. See, especially because they know they betrayed you. They stabbed you in the back. See, I told you, this is why things aren't improving for them when it comes to you. But I'm telling you, I feel like a part of their karma is getting hit in the pockets because they made the wrong decision. They stayed stuck in this marriage or in this situation with this other person because of finances, a financial obligation. This is why they can't give you the offer just yet. They have to get out of it. See, I told you, this person, they're dragging their feet. Somebody's dragging their feet, look, to free themselves, but they're going to get out. That's them being single. They're going to get out of it, and they're going to have a peace of mind with their money. All they have to do is just take a leap. That's what Spirit is waiting for them to do. And even the way the Magician came out, it's like they're trying to stay positive and manifest, this new beginning because they don't want you walking away. They don't. Let's use this deck. Let's see. Spirit, this person's energy that I'm picking up on for Taurus, what messages do they have? I feel you even though we are apart. Y'all have a connection. I love you unconditionally. We will be together again. I'm telling you, I hid behind material things. What did I just tell you? I told you this person, they're not happy in their situation, and they want out. What's stopping them is the financial obligation. This person was arrogant. They had the cars, the money, the house, the clothes, the jewelry, all of that. They spoiled this other person, and they hid behind material things. I'm not playing. I know that I crossed the line with you. I feel you leaving me behind. But guess what? I love you. I love you. I wish I could take back my words because you came closer to anyone and I regret lying to you. I bury myself in work to forget about you. If they told you they want to be friends, they lied. I want to be more than friends because you were the best thing in my life. Okay? I'm telling you. Oh, Taurus. Y'all, this could go so, because I really feel like this is a Taurus going through this. I feel like there's somebody watching this that is a Taurus and their person is going through this and they want to come back to you. But I do feel like I said before, it's a Taurus going through it. So cross-watch it. This is how the Taurus is feeling about you. I'm telling you. What just jumped out? Back and forth. They want to turn things around. They just don't know if they can. Is it too late? They left you behind. Left you out there cold. So let's see. Okay, Spirit. Tell me about Taurus. Taurus. What messages and or advice do you have for Taurus, please? Bottom of the deck, I have the 9 of Pentacles reversed. So yeah, you guys do not have a peace of mind when it comes to this person because at this point, the seeds you planted with them, you're like, they're not growing, But I'm seeing there's an offer coming in for you, but you're going to walk away from it. You're probably going to walk away. You're like, you know what? I don't even want anything this person has. See, you don't have a peace of mind about what they did. See, they caused an imbalance within this relationship between the two of you, and you're saying, you know what, I don't want to move forward with this person. They've done too much. They hurt me because they were being immature, childish, the way that they treated me. Again, I do not see things improving, but y'all are avoiding some type of tower. Taurus, okay, clarify that. Justice reverse. Some of you guys need to really take off the glasses and see things for what it is. For some of you, I'm seeing that you're going to get the truth, but at the same time, it's like, that's what I'm telling you. I'm trying not to confuse y'all because I really feel like there's a Taurus going through this, but then it can be flipped too. So there's somebody here that's going to tell you, I'm getting out of a legal situation. I'm getting out of my marriage. I'm getting out of a business partnership. I'm getting out of this contract. I'm getting out of something. Tell me more. Yeah, see? But I feel like you guys speaking your truth to this person when they do come in, that is a part of your lesson. Spirit, yeah, I can see this person's going to come in fast. And you're going to have to tell them exactly how you feel. But see, you're like, you know what? I don't even want to take a leap, and I'm going to let them go. I feel like you guys, if you do decide to let this person go, that is completely fine. But I feel like a part of your lesson is speaking up. Tell them why you're not giving them a chance. You get what I'm saying? Like, Spirit wants you to definitely speak up. See, because you're cutting this person off. Whichever way this goes for you, you're going to cut them off. But tell them why you're going to cut them off. See? You guys are upset. Some of you guys are definitely upset right now. Tell me more. Yeah, because I just heard this person's a butthole. It's like you're looking at them like they're a butthole. You know, it's like, I just heard evil. You feel like they're evil. They're arrogant. All of the above. Stubborn. Prideful. You know, it's like you've tried to work things out with this person. They made promises they couldn't keep. All of that. But with the Queen of Pentacles here, this is you guys focusing on yourself. Focusing on your bag. Focusing on the money. Tell me more. Yep, and you're removing yourself out of this third party situation. You're like, I'm tired of you coming in and out of my life. I'm tired of you being inconsistent. I'm just tired. See, this family situation. You're like, no, what happened in the past? You're done. You're done. I'm gonna just stop it right there. You're done. Okay, guys, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Taurus. Talk to you soon. Bye, Taurus.